Hello everyone and welcome back to Conn. So in this video we will see how to create a line chart and column chart within a single window. Okay. So for this I'll just pick up shift date into column and sales into rows. Okay. And I'll just expand the year. So this is the normal line chart, right? So you can see the quarter over here, quarter 1, quarter 2 and quarter 3. So if I want to see all the month across all the quarter, okay. So for this I'll just first make it as bar chart so that you can understand easily. If I click this one, okay, then you can see our month over here, right? Just click on month so that you can able to see all the month. Okay, January, February, March, April, May, June, July and August, because our sheet contains only 2015 years and only these 8 months, right? So this is the normal column chart, right? So to create one line chart, I'll just take profit and drag and drop in the rows. Okay, so both are the bar chart, right? So for the profit I'll just make it as line chart. Okay, so sale part is in the bar chart and profit is the line. So then I just want to combine these two charts. Okay, then just click on second field and click on dual axis. Okay, always remember one thing, you cannot do in the first field, because see, in the first field there is no option of dual axis, right? But in the second field you will find dual axis option. Okay, so just click on dual axis and see, it is the sale part and it is the profit, so that you can easily understand. Like in the month of January, the profit is minus 8,908 and the sale is 2,49,621, right? And in the month of March, the profit is minus 4,546 and the sale is 2,59,027. So in this way you can easily identify in one chart what is the profit and what is the sale. And if you want to change the background color, you can change. And I'll just rename the sheet line chart and column chart. Okay, and you can see my right hand side. So this is the secondary vertical axis and this is the primary vertical axis, right? And you can see over here also measure names, and I'll just make it as enter view. Okay, so in this way you can easily create one line chart and one column chart, that to be in a single window. I hope you have understood how to create this one, and that's all for this video. Thank you. So after the video is over, I will ask questions. So to answer, open my channel and go to the community section and answer all these quiz, so that I will know how much you have understood. And if you like my video, then do like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.